They wanted us to unplug the airbag in case I plug it in and it blows up. Call Michelle, be like, you gotta get the surveillance video of that one up. All right, guys, the old Toyota is in the shop. We hardly ever work on this thing. We just abuse it and drive it.
Oh my God.
It's tore the frame out. Today it needs some love. So we're taking these lights off the front and putting some good lights on the front of it so we can see. We're also putting some hood lights on it, shining out the sides so we can see a little bit out of there. And then we're gonna put a clocking spring in the steering column so that the cruise control and all that stuff will work again. Go over it, give it a little maintenance, get it ready for elk hunting in a couple weeks. So here we go. All right, it looks like we can just go to work here. I gotta cut these brackets off and build new bracketry to hold that in. Take these lights off of there, they're not gonna be there. We're going to 2 instead of 3, which are way brighter than what we currently have.
Are they the 9 or the 7s?
They're the 9s.
So they're the same as the tow truck?
Yep, same lights we run on the tow truck. They're bright, they work good.
Where are they at?
I don't know, they're somewhere around.
I'll go grab them.
I'm gonna cut these off first and then we'll grab them. Alrighty, I got all the brackets ground off. These ones just fell off. They were mostly off anyways. Jace is gonna get them all unplugged here and then we'll start putting new brackets on it. Let me show you what we got. Some big old fatty aux beams right there. That'll look good in there. We'll see, it should be way brighter and we'll be able to see what we're doing. I'm most excited about these side lights going on. Be able to see on the sides of it when we're out on recoveries and stuff. That's what we're gonna put in here instead. That's gonna look good. That will be bright. That'll do everything that we need it to do. We're gonna build some tabs, put on here. We'll weld them on this and then bolt these on so we can aim them because I want them to be...
You want them angled out a little?
A little bit.
Because they're like a long beam.
Yep, so we'll build some tabs.
Got the side lights. They're these ones from Harbor Freight, and I put them on my truck and they're actually pretty bright. We shall see how bright they really are on this thing. Got these tacked in place. Why does that one look back farther?
I like it. I think that's gonna work. Well, we don't have this level, that's why.
Oh.
We'll tap it down to level before I weld it.
Let me just set this on here.
Yeah. Let me get my stuff again.
Just cut those welds out of it. Cut our weight out of it.
That's not bad.
It's not great. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
It sets higher than the other one.
Cut that off and fix it. Close. That's pretty, that's way happier.
Yeah, it looks way better.
Yeah, we'll take those off, weld them in now, then we're good to go. All right, just got done wiring some stuff up here. Hey, Shell.
What?
Those bright?
Yes.
Look at that.
Those are real bright.
How can you tell?
By the way that they are.
This is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen tree because of the way it is.
Sounds like Jace is back with our lunch, so we're gonna eat and then clean the air filter, get this thing all fixed up and ready to go. He's back in my car.
Taillights work.
All right, we got real life tail lights working again.
Did they used to not work?
No, they went out.
Oh.
So tail lights are fixed. We put the sticker on it. We've had it for a while now, and we're licensed again, legal. We got all the lights put on the front. Figured out that I don't have lights for the heater. These are out, so you just have to know where they are in the dark. But I ordered some lights. They're kind of weird little things. We'll put this back. We're about ready to take this old girl hunting. All right, we've come across some more bad news. So we've had a vibration in this thing on D-cell. Couldn't figure it out. We finally narrowed it down to the rear end, and the pinion was loose. So we tried to tighten it. Well, we found out that the nut was stripped out, smoked all the threads, and it had backed off. We thought we just needed to tighten it. Come to find out we couldn't tighten it. Gears.
You have to put gears in it?
Oh yeah, we got to put gears in this thing.
Oh, crap.
Which is awesome. Not really. We just barely put gears in this thing. So I don't know if we can even make it do for the weekend, because I actually needed the truck this weekend. So we'll see if we can get a nut to spin on there, but we got to put gears in it.
All right, well, they're doing gears now. I'm currently fixing a self-caused problem that I have done to myself when I caved the door in.
Your door is done for, dude. Oh my.
Alan brought me another door, which is mint. So now I've got to rip this one off, swap it out, put the new one on it, and then no more dent thing. Yeah. New door is on. Haven't done a proper shut yet. Well, it doesn't line up. Needs to go down.
All right, we've got this thing band-aided back together. We got a nut to go on it and tightened up, but we still have a ton of slop. We're gonna have to put a set of gears in the back of this. I don't know what went south, but something's not right in there, but it's gonna live for this hunting season. We'll let it down, fix the clocking spring, and then the truck's good to go for a bit.
Don't change the channel. I've just rudely interrupted Paul's video with some information. Graydon has been looking at that tractor in my backyard since he was a little kid. He asked me about it at least 5 years ago, what I was gonna do with it. And I just kept lying to him and telling him I was gonna take it to the dump, or I was gonna cut it up or throw it away. I told Paul years ago, I'm gonna get it running one of these days and bring it up and drop it off. So I left it in the yard as a surprise for Graydon.
You're supposed to call Merlin.
He answers.
He'll answer. He ain't got nothing else.
What's up?
Did you get a little surprise or what?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Did you just figure it out?
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Bro, this thing's sweet.
Take good care of it. I don't care what you do with it, just don't hurt yourself.
Oh, I won't.
It didn't have a turbo on it last time you saw it.
No, I just saw a picture of it.
Yeah.
How long has Graydon had his eye on this for, Merlin?
How old is he right now?
13.
I think he was 10 when he asked me the first time. Grades up, you better stay out of trouble or I'm coming for you.
The
That's
grades
right.
thing might not go out well.
The grades?
I won't hold you to that. But
I
if you put a little bit of fuel in that tank and a battery, it'll start right up.
We may have to fire it up here.
will. Graders, you're gonna kick butt the lawnmower races.
You be good, Graders.
I will. Thank you.
Have a fun weekend. I'll see you later.
We'll
See
see
ya.
ya. Bye.
Bye.
I think
Steer when you're
tank,
driving.
I think the fuel tank leaks a little bit.
You're wearing a helmet on this thing, that's
It's
all I
not
know.
It's
super
not
fast.
It's
This
just
is like
torquey.
a pull-in motor.
Is this original motor?
No, this is a big motor.
I know,
This
but it
is
says John Deere on it.
well, yeah, this is a 3-cylinder Yanmar.
Yeah, they've made diesel.
John Deere, yeah. This is cool. This is freaking sweet, actually. Now we just got to put a little Honda Civic radiator in it, finish some stuff.
Don't we have a Honda Civic?
You'll be rolling coal. He said it rolls coal. It
Oh
smokes.
my
We should
gosh.
start
yeah.
it up.
Go get a jump pack. I'll get a little bit of diesel. No, it doesn't move.
Oh, so it's just.
The pump's turning the wrong direction to make pressure.
Oh.
So this motor turns exactly backwards than the motor it
We're
had
just
in
gonna
it
put a
originally.
converter on it.
So we'll put this gear thing on it that changes the directions. Hook this to the frame. Hook this to the here.
Oh jeez.
Let's see. He told me that's the fuel shut off. And that's the smoke switch.
What are you backing away for?
I'm scared.
Oh, don't be scared.
Ooh,
There we go.
got spark. Oh,
Gosh. Where's the throttle at?
There's gonna be a lot of motor in that little tractor.
Oh my gosh.
That thing's cool.
Shakes the whole thing.
Do you have anything you want to say to Merlin?
Thank you.
A little bit more work and you'll be ripping this thing around.
That's my favorite thing is you're gonna have something to do.
We'll get the PTO or the direction switched and then she'll pump.
Give me a thumbs up. Signing off.
She runs.
Come over to Merlin's Old School Garage. Check us out. See what we do.
I don't know how to do this. We're gonna have to go to YouTube University, but something's wrong. We gotta fix that. It's driving me nuts. So I'll watch some YouTube and then we'll check in on it. Says you take one of these and you pop these. Oh, look at that. It came right out. Just like the interwebs said it would. Said they're captured so they won't fall out. He said to store it down in case it blows up. It's encouraging, right?
Does it shoot up and kill you?
Yeah, I think that's what they're getting at. All right, now we just gotta take that nut off, pop the steering wheel off, whiz bang boom, we got it. They claim that this comes off fairly simple. Okay, that was one of the easiest steering wheels I've ever pulled off ever. Phillips screwdriver, I neglected to get one of those. Oh, is this? Yeah, I'm gonna need one. Okay.
Phillips screwdrivers around here seem to run away faster than anything. Chase probably has it.
He probably does. Pretty sure that's the only one he took off. This is gross in here. Like bad. Wow, someone didn't clean this thing ever. Alright. We've gutted it. Now it's time. We should be able to unplug that. But it just like clips in here with these little cheesy plastic clips. There it is.
Look at that.
Cool. Clean that all up. Put a new one in it.
Close-ish.
I think it's what it is. You just break that thing off and then it turns, so it's what we need. I don't know what's squeaking.
Kind of sounds like it's outside. It's definitely out here.
All right, let's put a co-locking spring in this thing and be done. Okay, there's that. There's one, there's two. I don't know what that was actually plugged into. Go ahead and say nothing. I didn't unplug it. Did you?
I didn't unplug anything. I've been over here.
That's what I thought. If something doesn't work, Tom, I'm blaming you.
Okay. Been married for a long time. I can
can
take getting blamed
take
for
that?
something I didn't do.
That's right. It is good training for that, really.
Should I just apologize now?
That's right. Sorry. Apologies, like, I'm sorry that you suck that bad. It's just sneak them in every once in a while just to make sure you're spotting the doghouse. Sure you know where you're sleeping, all those things.
Yep. I argue just a little bit, so
Oh, yeah.
it feels like they win.
Yeah. So it's not just a full-on coward.
Yeah.
You know that you're not winning, but you're gonna argue just a little bit so that they feel like you haven't just totally given up. Yeah, I'm with you on that. Okay.
At what point do you get to pull the ripcord? Did the YouTube University tell you that?
No. No, I think it's now. They wanted us to unplug the airbag in case I plug it in and it blows up. We might ought to.
We can do that.
My back already hurts. I don't need my face hurting too. Kind of what I'm thinking.
Right in the nose hole.
Gosh dang, you know how pissed off I'd be? Afterwards, I'd probably laugh a whole bunch, and then we'd have to fix a bunch of stuff that I broke.
The 11s or 12s?
10 millimeter. I would throw stuff around the shop, swear a little bit, bleed probably. I'm sure I would bleed a little bit.
I'd check on you, make sure you're all right, and then I'd just go outside.
Walk outside, laugh.
No,
Be like,
I might just walk outside, get in the Jeep, go
call
home.
Michelle, be like, you gotta get the surveillance video of that one up. That's gonna be a keeper.
There's gonna be broken crap to pick up in the shop tomorrow.
Yeah, there's some stuff. Tire's pretty straight. The steering wheel was a little crooked anyway, so this is gonna give me a chance to
Straighten it out.
I've done her. I've gone and done her.
Point of no return now.
I think we're good. I think
Send it.
I'm gonna bolt that thing down tight and call it good. I mean, I've never had a vehicle that has a steering wheel straight anyways. You'd think I got an alignment machine or something.
No judgment here.
How cool is it gonna be to hit the cruise on this? It just cruises. First clocking spring. I'm sure we did something wrong in the world of the interwebs. But the good thing is they'll tell us. Like, you guys are idiots.
You could have died.
You're right, we're idiots. I'll be the first one to admit that. But did it work? That's how I base my idiotness off of. It's not dumb if it works.
Nope. May be dangerous. Not dumb.
I'm not dumb. We're after results. We're a result-oriented business. If we can't get results, we're out. And then these just clip back in there like so. It's pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna touch the battery cable. You watch this blow up stuff. Didn't blow up.
No. It blowed up. I might have peed a little.
I would have giggled by myself. It's a lot funnier when you're not bleeding out of your nose. Okay, let's see if the airbag light and that stuff's off. No airbag light.
The radio controls work?
Yes, sir. Cruise control light comes on now. She's as good as new, I think. And I think the steering wheel's really close to straight. So we'll go take it for a rip and see how it is. We'll back this thing out of here and see if we did things that helped or hurt. I mean, we got most of the lights working, except the reverse lights. And the rear end's probably gonna be a little deeper to finish it, right? Yeah, but I think we're away we go. We'll know if the cruise control works here in a second. And if we got the steering wheel straight. It's gonna be real close. It was a little bit cockeyed to the left, so I kind of compensated. We'll see if I did enough. Not quite enough. No. It's real close, but I should have went one more click. Cruise? Cruise works. Yep, we're cruising. Cool, that has been a long time coming right there. I should have done it a while ago. That was fairly easy.
A whole lot less than I thought it was going to be.
Yep, Toyota's back in business. The Tacoma is ready to rock. So, ready to go hunting? We're actually all loaded up and ready to go elk hunting right now. So, me and Graders are out of here. The boys are coming later. I hope the truck does good and it works like we want it to. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.